All of us has this experience that we are doing something for a long time and then nothing happens. Suddenly we are meeting someone. This person is giving us some resources. Power of networking. How to see that in the chart. Since 20 years, I'm doing Jyotisha under the guidance of my Guruji Visti Larsen in the Sri Achyutananda Parampara. So I will show you what is the best way to see that point in the charts. Now, someone could say, yes, just see the house from the Lagna. We could see 10th house, which is showing the boss, right? We have 9 for father, 10 for boss, 11 house for the Guru. But not always boss is giving you directly the job. Sometimes it's coming from mother, father. Like we will have one example. The job is coming, or at least it's inspired by father. And also tricky house to see that. And then there is a problem with that approach because the lordship is not showing how something starts. It is just some karmic connections you have. But to see how something is started, you need to see the Karaka. So there are 2 important houses from the moon, because the moon is showing the dynamic of the society. Sunabha and Anabha yogas. Probably you've heard about them in the Brihatparashara Hora Shastra. So all houses from the moon are showing 2 things: how you think about the area and also what is the societal support for this area. And among all of these, 2 are most important. We can say 3, right? Sadhashati is going through 12, first and second. So the 12 from the moon is the family, one in which you are born, and also the new family. Also, we have a YouTube video, how to distinguish that. And then we have second from moon, which is showing you joining the career life sector. So if you have problematic like Mars, Saturn, Rahu there, or the Lord is weak, afflicted, then you may not even join the work sector. So if I see so grave charts, then I also look at that point. Is there affliction here? Maybe we need to give some remedies, remove the blockage, and then it will improve the life of the person. The first chart, Ellen DeGeneres. We are lucky to have her chart very accurate. We have to find the moon and see the second house. In this chart, it is very clear it is connected to the 7th house. And if we read about her biography and also interviews, we know that she got a lot of support from her partner. So this is the Venus, the Karaka, and also 7th Lord is there. So if it's second from your moon is also related to the 7, it should be default, right? But it's not. So in that case, you are getting that blessing that the partner is very supportive. There is also another important point to check if that person can work with you, right? The 2nd and 12 has to be connected. Now, I asked my clients, because that is the chart we'll analyze now, is it true that in your case, it was mainly you who helped yourself? It was nowhere else. You felt like you are doing the all heavy lifting. And the 9th house, can we say that the important things are the studies and specializations? She said yes. And therefore we can see that moon in 8 is giving that thing. So for all moon positions, you will have the 2nd from that, and therefore you will get who is helping you in the career. So you have now nice network tip. How or which person may be instrumental to getting you not only job, but even further it also works, like promotion, better jobs, things like that. In my case, 2nd Lord from the moon is 9th Lord in the Lagna, which is the Lakshmi Yoga. Rahu is a foreigner. So foreign guru will be very helpful for starting my job. So you can see on this level, it's not only working for employment, but also for all career lines, because I am a freelancer. We like to have your chart read with all of these yogas to find the best career path, or just to see the career progression, what the next 12 months are bringing to you. Then you can find the link in the description to schedule a consultation on Zoom, 60 or 90 minutes. Now, in the Marine Le Pen, you would say, this doesn't make sense. We know that she is following her father's steps because her father was also far right into politics. There had some dispute and they went in different directions. But nevertheless, the father was very instrumental. And here we have moon in the 4th, so it's 5th, right? What is going on? It doesn't work. Except for ladies, the father is in the 5th house. So also the proof that this rule should be applied like this. 5th for father, 9th for the child. Then we have another far right politics. Why I'm getting the chart, I don't know. They were born probably on that days. As said, I'm not supporting their views, but we can analyze the chart. He is saying about some mentors in the party. We can see 2nd from the moon is very much related to the 11th house. 11th house is showing those mentors, gurus, someone who is like elder brother for you. But now we would say, oh, it is so vague, it is so big, wide, abstract. you can say everything, except this is the Virgo. And who was his mentor? This was the Marine Le Pen. And we see that she has Virgo Lagna. So mentor with that ascendant. Exactly, that was the person who is opening the doors for the career life. For Barbara Smith, she was working together with her sister. Do we have any connection of the third house and Venus, because that's the sister, to the second from the moon? Then it is working. We can say, yes, this has approval of our research. So second from moon is connected to the third house and to the Venus. So the sister was very instrumental in her work. It can be bridge, it can be continuing, it can be supporting. But this point you have to know in the chart, because it's very important. You always should be close to these people. If you don't have them, then seek them, because they will open the doors for your career. Okay, so there you have it. And if you want to see how the 10th house from the moon is important for the work, then please consider watching this one.